This background is fake. So you want to start making videos because you know that video content makes a lot of money. But the problem is you don't like your background. You're wondering, how do I get beautiful backgrounds that will make people like my video, help my video to go viral, so I'll start making money from my videos? Worry no more, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your background from this to this with just your smartphone. It takes just 3 simple steps. Yes, everything I'm going to do here, I'm going to do it with my smartphone. So as soon as you're done watching this video, you are going to go on to make beautiful videos using beautiful backgrounds like this. Are you ready? Without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight in. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if making money is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. There are 3 simple steps it takes to get yourself this beautiful background to use in all your videos. The first step is to record the video itself. So you need to sit down and record the video. That's the video we are going to change the background. Now, while recording the video, I recommend you use good lighting. This is to make sure that this video turns out by the time we are done changing the background. Good lighting is basically using ring light in your videos. This video I'm recording right now, I'm using ring light. Now, in a situation where you don't have ring light, you can still make use of natural light. Yes, natural light is great, though it's not as beautiful as when you are using ring light or artificial light. So what you need to do is to face your window or your door, the source of light. Once you're done recording the video, the second step is to go on and get a beautiful picture you would like to use as a new background. So there are 2 ways you can get such beautiful image for your background. The first one is to use stock image websites like Pexels or FreePic. Okay, one beautiful thing about this website is that they give you stunning images, high resolution images, absolutely free. So in this example, we are going to use FreePic. What you need to do is to head over to Google and type FreePic. Then click on this first one that shows up here, and then we are going to go on and ask this website to give us a specified kind of image we will use in this video background. Now I'm going to type study room because I want a background that has a shelf and maybe flower. Okay, so we need to scroll down here. These are beautiful images you can download absolutely free. Now you can get as many as you want. I'm going to go on to select this one. I already downloaded a couple of those pictures in my phone. I have a lot of them because I really want to make this video beautiful. So once you see the one you like, you go on to download it, and you can download as many as possible. The second way is to use an AI tool called Leonardo.ai. All you need to do is to create a free account, then give it a prompt, describe the exact image you want to design, and it's going to do that for you. So once you get the image, the next step is to go on and put it together. I mean, you are going to go on and create that beautiful, stunning background for your video. So let's go there. Now, how do we do this? We are going to make use of an editing app called Capcut. This app is absolutely free. You can use the app on your mobile phone. You can also use it on your computer. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to do mobile phone video editing. You're going to head over to Capcut and get this done. Are you getting value from this? Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. This is Capcut. All you need to do is to click on this button that says new project, and we go on to select the background we want. So I'm going to click on photos and then look for the image that I want to use. For the purpose of this, I'm going to use this. So I'm going to click on this and then click on add to apply this background. The next thing to do is to drag this, increase it to the size of the video. This is to make sure that this background covers the video from beginning to the end. So my video is about 6 minutes. I'm going to extend it to up to 6 minutes. The next thing to do is to scroll to the beginning of the video, and then we are going to add our own video. To do that, you need to slide here and click on overlay, and then you click on add overlay. and then you select the video you want to add. I'm going to use this one. This background, and you click on add. This is the video. The next thing we want to do is to remove the background, and to do that you need to slide to this where it says cut out. So you click on remove background, and then once you do that, it starts processing. If you look at this, it says remove background 0% achieved. Now I'll advise you be patient, allow this to load to 100%. This is because if you start editing it right now, you'll find out that along the way there's going to be a lot of glitches in the video. There are some times you're going to find out that the movement of the mouth does not blend with the sound, and a whole lot of other things you would not like. But if you allow it to load up to 100%, everything will be perfect. So let me go on and play the video. This background is fake. So you want the next step is to edit and tweak the background to make this background very realistic, and that would be to blur it a little, make it a little darker. So you click on effects, go on and select video effect, and then we are going to look for blur. Now this is blur. I'm going to apply it. The next thing is to go on and drag it to make sure that the blurry background covers every part of this video. I'm going to scroll to the beginning, and if you look at this background, it's too blurry that people will not even see what is at the background. To make it really beautiful, we need to adjust the opacity. So you click on adjust, and then you drag it a little here. You're going to check it, and once you get what you like, you let it be. So this is just perfect for me. I'm going to leave it at this. So if you play the video, this background is fake. Now you see how beautiful this video looks like. It looks stunning, it looks amazing, and these are the kind of videos that go viral. So what do? You save the video, you download the video, save it, and then you are ready to upload it on any platform of your choice. Now you can do this for YouTube videos, for TikTok videos, for Facebook, Instagram video, whatever the platform is. You can change the background of the video and then get yourself stunning background that makes your video go viral. So in this 2024, you don't have any reason not to be creating video content for yourself, for your brand, and even making a lot of money doing this for others. Because yes, you can make a lot of money editing videos for others, and if you mention to them that you can change their video background, it gives you an edge over other video editors, and it also helps you to charge more for your service. I hope you got value from this. Please go on and share this video. There's someone on your list who needs to see this to learn how to change their video background. Share it on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, and every other place you can think of. See you in my next video. Bye.